Gymglish is the place if you want to learn a language. This is a tutorial, this is an app, this is free, this is amazing. Let's check it out. You have a 14-day trial, but I have a secret where you can extend it for free. First, download Gymglish. Choose a language. You have beginners, or if you have notions of the language, make your choice. Enter with your Google account. We're in. Let's start with the first story, episode, first lesson, whatever you want to call it. First you have the text. You can select the vocabulary. Or have a look at the selected vocabulary. Then you have an exercise of true and false, multiple choice and sentence completion, but we need to practice our listening skills. Let's do it. This is just a sample, otherwise it would be a very long video.
Dad, what is France like?
Well, son, it's just like America, except the food and wine are better.
Do they play baseball in France?
Well, no. They play soccer there, which they call football.
Then, similar exercises related to the listening. Let's watch a little video.
Why do the Americans insist on calling it soccer? Why do they have such a problem calling it football?
Then you have the next episode. Hey, but you haven't finished your lesson, you still have to speak. We'll do that in a moment. So as I said, you have a 14-day trial, but you can prolong this time of using the free app. How? Here is the secret. You can copy this link and then send it to your friends who are also learning languages, and we'll find this very, very useful. So congrats for ending the first episode. Now let's speak. You can talk about any topic, this is very interesting, but this is just a sample, of course. You can also ask for items, things you want to learn, and it will explain it to you.
Hey there. How are you today?
Fine, thank you, and you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What do you do for a living?
I am a content creator and I work too full-time.
That's awesome. Being a content creator sounds really interesting. What kind of content do you create?
I create videos on AI free tools and tutorials for everyone on YouTube.
That's really cool. It must be rewarding to share your knowledge with others. What made you want to improve your English? About learning English for you. What are your hobbies or interests outside of work? Do you have any favorite outdoor spots you like to visit? Forests are beautiful and peaceful. Have you ever been to a redwood forest? Something new you'd like to learn this year. Breathtaking. You could say awe-inspiring or stunning. These words are more advanced and will help you expand your vocabulary. What other words would you like to learn synonyms for? So why do I find this app so marvelous to learn a language? I'll tell you why. First, you're practicing all the skills, which is very, very important. Then the conversations feel like they're real. The texts are good. The exercises are amazing. You also have access to the correction of the exercises. And it's like a story with episodes, so I find it very, very interesting as well. You also have the clarification of the vocabulary if you don't understand it. So I think this is an amazing way to learn the language. So what are you waiting for? Let's do it. So if you like the video, I do have more amazing apps or applications you can use on the computer. Just go there to my playlist. It's called Learn a Language with AI, and let's do it. You can have amazing apps that will truly help you to learn a language. And I'll be here to bring you even more. So, if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button because I want to bring you
all the best free tools for you and your projects. And it's not only languages, I have so many amazing AI free tools for you. So go there, check it out, and have some fun with it, because this is the new way to go. Thanks so much for watching.